Now, most people think connecting apps like Beefree to Salesforce Marketing Cloud account engagement is a tedious technical process. But what if I told you it's simpler than you imagine? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up this integration in just a few steps. First, we'll show you how to add an unsubscribe link to your email to ensure it meets account engagement's requirements. Then we'll walk through connecting your Beefree account to account engagement and exporting your email. Next, we'll guide you in updating your email to ensure changes made in Beefree are reflected in account engagement. And finally, I'll show you how to send landing pages to account engagement to streamline the content creation process. So here's how to connect Salesforce Marketing Cloud account engagement to Beefree. Now, before you export your email, you need to make sure you include an unsubscribe link since it is required by the account engagement platform. If you don't add it, you'll see an error message upon export telling us to update our email. There are two very simple ways to add an unsubscribe link. The first way is to type out the word unsubscribe and click the link button here. In the URL field, just add unsubscribe with two curly brackets on either side. This URL is specific to account engagement. The second way is to click inside a paragraph or title block and select special links. Then account engagement, and choose either unsubscribe or preference center. Either will work. Okay, great. Now that you've added an unsubscribe button, you're ready to export your email to Salesforce Marketing Cloud account engagement. To do so, click Export in the top right corner of the builder. In the pop-up menu, click Push to your sending system, and then select Account Engagement. Now, account engagement requires some additional information to complete our export. The business unit ID is an alphanumeric code identifying your account engagement instance. You can easily find it by following these steps. Inside account engagement, click the gear icon in the top right-hand corner and select Setup. In the Quick Find search bar, type Business and select Business Unit Setup. You can find your business unit ID here, which starts with 0UV and is 18 characters long. Once you've filled in the remaining information in Beefree, you can click Connect. You'll then be prompted to link your Salesforce account. Put in your username and password, and awesome. You've now successfully linked account engagement to Beefree. Now, before you can send this email to account engagement, you'll need to provide a few additional details to set up a new campaign. The campaign name refers to the specific campaign to which you are exporting the email. This drop-down here shows all current and planned campaigns in your account engagement account. Folder. This is the folder where your design will be stored. Tracker domain is a subdomain that you can configure to track and manage the links included in your emails. The sender's name and email address are mandatory for each export and are automatically updated with the information you provided in the previous step. Now that you've added everything you need, let's hit Create. Once you've successfully exported your email, click the link here to access it inside account engagement. In the platform, you'll be taken straight to your exported email. From here, you can make small adjustments to your design by clicking Edit Email Template in the top right corner. Now, inside account engagement's email editor, you can tweak the text and styles, edit the HTML, preview your email, or switch to a plain text format. Now, when it comes to making changes to your email in account engagement versus Beefree, you'll need to keep the following in mind. We can't guarantee your emails will be fully optimized when editing within the account engagement platform. We recommend editing and re-exporting your designs in Beefree's builder to take advantage of its intuitive no-code drag-and-drop features. We also can ensure your design looks great and functions perfectly with solid code working behind the scenes. Finally, you can export your landing pages to account engagement using the same process we demonstrated for emails. You'll then need to fill in the same fields as before, minus of course sender name and sender email, since we're dealing with a landing page. Once we've added our campaign name, folder, and tracker domain, we can hit Create. Now, when you export your landing page to account engagement, it will include the page title, meta description, and any tracking codes you might have added previously. Okay, great. Now, if we click this link here, we can open up our landing page in account engagement. Inside the platform, it is possible to make edits just like your email to details such as name, title, meta description, campaign, and tracker domain. It's also important to note that unlike emails, the update existing option, unfortunately, is not currently available. And that's a wrap. For more information about our account engagement connector, you can visit our Beefree docs at the link here. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.